You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word correctly. This is the past tense of the verb to roar. If you want to learn more vocabulary, stay tuned. We've got more videos for you. Roared. Roared. How to pronounce in English? English pronunciation. Listen carefully. Roared. Roared. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.